Some teachers may choose to store their videos directly in Google Drive and not actually upload them to YouTube for viewing. And you can take videos from Google Drive and you can add them into your Schoology courses as well. The first thing that I would do is put all of my videos, save them all into one single folder. You could have subfolders within the folder, but have one major folder for your videos. And then you're going to right click on that and choose share so that you are changing the share settings for the entire folder. So I'm going to click more under share settings and choose anyone with a link can view this folder. So, and when I click done, now anything within this folder will also have the share settings. So I can go in here and I can right click on a video and I could say share and just say copy the link, and then I can add that link directly into Schoology. Now remember, if you're doing a direct link like this, it's going to open in Google. So I'm just going to call this linked video just so you can see it. And I'm going to always, when I do a link, I always uncheck display in Schoology and click add. And now when the student clicks a linked video, it automatically takes them directly to my Google Drive where they can view the video. If you don't want them to leave your Schoology page though, let's delete that so it's not confusing for anyone. The other thing that I can do is go back to my Google Drive and you can embed the video, but you need to get an embed code for it. So to get an embed code for a video that's stored in Google, you're going to double click on the video and it opens up in a new window. I'm just going to stop playing there. And you're going to click the three dots for more actions. And you're going to say open this in a new window. Once it's opened in a new window, you can click the three dots again and say embed item. This gives you an embed code for the item and you have to highlight the embed code and you're going to have to copy it. So right click on it and choose copy and then say done. Now when I go back to my Schoology course and I say add link external tool, I'm going to say link again and I'm going to choose paste, and it pasted the embed code instead of a link. Now I'm going to actually now just say, you can turn this off, display in Schoology. It doesn't really matter on this particular, but I'm going to say embedded Google video and say add. So now the video is embedded. When the student clicks on it, it will play directly in your Google Drive. In your Schoology course, even though the video is being stored in Google Drive. I'm going to hit pause so we don't have to listen to it. But that's basically another option for you. And a lot of teachers like this route, so it really works either way. If you after you just took a whole class on YouTube, I'm sure telling you that you don't really need to use YouTube. These are all just options. There are just many different options to do the same thing.